euros. Everyone in, I have, I think, 32 students. Shall I start, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can, sir.
Everything is clear? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today our topic is going to be the data mining process. Previously, we have learned what is data mining, what is business intelligence, or business analytics. But in this tutorial, in this lecture, you are going to learn about the data mining process that are available. So, what are the contents here? Common type of data mining tasks, supervised versus unsupervised data mining, the data mining process, implications for managing the data science team, and ethical practice in data mining. So, you will look after this thing in this tutorial, in this lecture. So, before we dive into the data mining process, it is useful to know about the common data mining tasks to add context to the process. So there are these we'll learn about classification, regression, similarity matching, clustering, co-occurrence, grouping, association, and profiling, link prediction, data and dimension reduction, causal modeling, data exploration, and visualization. The things that are written in the slide, it may feel a little bit bored for you, but I will give you an easy example that will make it easy for you. For example, let us look at the classification first, go through the slide. To predict the category group that an unknown sample belongs to, classes are mutually exclusive either or no. Okay, you don't need to see this huge example. Just uh, for our benefit, I am just telling, in my class currently I have 32 students and I want to take an extra class. So I will create a column in my table, that is who are interested and who are not interested. So if the student who are interested, they will go to one group, and who are not interested, they are go to another group. So basically, based on this, I can classify the students who are going to do the class and who are not going to do the class. Clear with this example, or I will give another example. Are you clear with it, my dear students?
Maybe another example, sir.
Okay, other example. Look, for example, in our class we have international students, right? We have a student from
Yes, sir.
Asia, we have a student from Africa, you have a student from Europe. So if you can classify them by their individual classes, that who are from Africa, who are from Europe, who are from America, so you can classify them.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Can classify.
Yes, based on their region. So that is written here to predict the category group that an unknown sample belongs to, mutually exclusive either or. Example of all the customers signing up for my services, which one will respond to my offer and keep their contact? Two classes will respond, will not respond. Okay, so they are giving an example where um, a shopkeeper is creating a system for his customers where they will either sign up and either not sign up. So there will be two classes, who will respond or will not respond. Okay. So the example I have given, do you understand from it? Sir, classification clear?
Can, sir.
Sure. So if anyone asks you about classification, can you answer what is
Yes,
classification
sir.
is? Okay.
Classification is, like just now you give an example, like an international student, they are from a different part of a country, right? So we can classify this from the Malaysia and this one from Indonesia and another one from another country. So we can classify according which country they're from based on
Very
that.
good. Very good. Very
Right.
good. Okay. Now let us go to another example, that is regression. Suppose you tell me, sir, um, I know if by doing this course, I hope inshallah will get the job of the data analyst. Sir, the temperature of Kuala Lumpur is last 15 days is given. For example, 32 degree, 35 degree, 37 degree, and 40 degree. But you have to predict what will be the temperature of Kuala Lumpur on next Sunday. So that is how regression work is done. And for this, you will learn many regression. So let us go through the slide, and I am giving you another example. Also called value estimation. Predict numerical values continuous variable instead of categories. Example, how much longer will a particular customer continue to use my service? Service uses 15 days, 18 days, 180 days. Classification predicts where something will happen, predicts how much something will happen. Train on known data and estimate value on unknown data. So you don't need to go through these hard things. You just remember one thing. I am giving you the temperature of Kuala Lumpur for last 7 to 8 days. Now you have to predict the temperature of Kuala Lumpur for next week. Similarly, I am giving you the housing price for what can I say, for 200 square feet. This 2,000 ringgit for 1,000 square feet. It's 10,000 ringgit. So can you predict what will be the uh, price for 15,000 square feet? You can. So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
is what
okay.
regression. So in case of regression, you have to deal with the previous data, and from those data you can predict a thing. Clear?
So basically, it's predicting the future value or future outcome. Is it?
Yes, yes. So,
Okay, okay, got it.
now my question is, when you will become a data analyst or a business analyst, you you are working for a cell phone company. So you must have to find the from the previous data. You must have to find the what will be the number of customer in next year. Correct? So in
Yeah,
this
correct.
case, you have to use the regressions algorithm. So we have, I think, in week 5 or week 6, we'll go to the algorithm. So we are going step by step. We'll know that also. So till now, regression classification clear,
Please, sir.
everyone?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just I am making sure you one thing. Don't worry about the grades or anything. Just keep learning and enjoying the things. Data mining is a very interesting topic, and I have many research paper on this topic. So if you want to have a research paper or write a research paper, you can contact with me. I can help you. Those who have
Okay, sir.
want to do higher studies, they need this. Okay, what is similarity matching? It is another interesting topic. Identify similar entities which ones have similar characteristics. Example: IBM identifies companies that are similar to the best customers, so to focus their sales on the same target groups. Firmographic. Product recommendation: find similar people who like a particular product. For example, you are the general manager or assistant manager of an e-commerce site Temo. Now you are seeing that Ishra Kumaran is buying continuous electrical device from your company. So now what you will do? Absolutely, will send me the promotion related to any electrical devices or any gadgets to me. Clear?
Maybe can give other examples, sir.
Okay. For example, okay, I'm giving another example. In a you have a database of 20 students. So from there, I will find out the students who are going to who like mathematics. So I will categorize them in the by similarity matching. I will categorize them in one category, and if any mathematics related anything come to me or any boot camp or anything, I will offer them those. Now it's clear? Clear, sir?
Bit confused there. Can
Okay,
be.
okay, okay. Let's give you the most easiest example. Do you use a
Okay.
Facebook? Do you use a Facebook?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now, for example, if you buy an shirt from an e-commerce site, you buy.
I did never buy anything from Facebook.
Okay. You buy something from from any shop online. You order, for example, you order burger. Fine.
Okay.
Now, what will happen? The by the intelligence the Facebook use from there, the other burger shop will show their offers in your feed of burgers. Even in YouTube, the type of video you search, you will see that similar video you are seeing. Now it's clear?
Oh, so it means that whatever I'm buying, whatever I'm purchasing, try to purchase, the similar things I will see in other platforms, social media platforms, something like that.
Yes, yes. You
Ah,
can eat. If you want to, practice it, if you want to believe that this is true or false, today in YouTube, show a goal of Cristiano Ronaldo, you will find that in your feed there is all related to Cristiano Ronaldo will come. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. It's like something when we are often looking into something that it will show more of more that thing we are wanting.
Yes.
Okay.
Someone to learn the algorithm. So we will at first will according to our course plan, the course plan that I have been given, we are going through the what are the things we will first do, then we will apply the algorithms. Okay. So don't it will be a very interesting course. Next class you will learn about MySQL, how you can store data, how you can group data, how you can cluster data, and after that in this course you will learn also Orange and the data mining tools. Okay. So don't worry. Are you now? It's clear what the three things we have gone through. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clustering. To group similar entities but without specifying any characteristics or having any purpose. Can be used to get a clue for determining data mining direction or making decision. Do our customer from sort of groups or segments? What products should we develop based on customer preference? How should our customer service be structured better? Okay. For example, clustering, it is the most easiest thing, but I am giving you another good example. You have developed you have a database in your company. You can see that your boss came and told you that Noor, you have to cluster, categorize or cluster. You have to group the customers into three segments. First, who buy the most, who has whose transaction is more than 2,000 ringgit, who is under 1,000 to 2,000 ringgit, and who is under 1,000. So what you will do based on their purchase behavior. Just a minute. Someone text me. Okay, let's see. So based on that, the order given by boss, you will go to the database and you will find that who has bought more than 10,000, who has bought more than who has transaction less than 20,000, and who has transaction under 10,000. You will then cluster them according to their purchase behavior and will send your promotional event, promotional things. You won't send the things that is cost more than 2,000 ringgit to a person whose purchase whose transaction history is under 1,000. Okay, so this is how you can cluster it. Now understand clustering?
Understand, sir. So, for
Yes,
example,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Clear, everyone? The fourth thing we have seen till now, are you clear?
Yes, sir. So, for example, sir, like let's say we are doing a customer survey, right? And when there are like a five ranking, so we will ranking based on uh, they are based on their style lah. So if their ranking is poor, then we will check on them, and if they are satisfied, means will provide some like a gift card or something like that.
Yes,
Something like that.
yes, yes, yes,
Ah,
yes. You
okay.
trust. Okay, just give. I'm giving you another real life example. For example, today, for example, if today evening the Honorable Dean sir called me and told me that Ishra, give me the listed of the students and cluster them into three groups: best, good, better, best. So what I will do from the uh, from the assessment I have taken so far, I will categorize the student and cluster them into three clusters: cluster A, cluster B, cluster C. Then I will give it to Dean sir. Clear? Now 100%.
Clear, sir. Clear 100%, sir.
Okay, okay. I think someone is telling that if he's not seeing the screen. Can you see the screen, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can, sir.
Okay. Now, co-occurrence grouping or association rule. Okay, let's not go through this slide. I'm just giving you an example. For example, when the temperature is high, the sale of Coca-Cola rises or declines? You answer me this.
It will increase, definitely
It
increase.
suppose, Noor, I have given you a job in a uh, what can I say, in a soft drinks company. You are the
Uh-huh.
business analyst of that company. Now, your boss told you that, Noor, from by predicting the temperature, you give the input to our production, how much product they will produce, and it will give you the result. So in that case, what will you do
So my boss want how much input I need to put
in the
based on the
production?
temperature
Production,
or
yeah,
production.
yes,
Uh, Basically, I'll do like about based on the situation. Uh, I'll do about 50 something, at
okay,
least 50 something, and then. But before that, also I need to look on around me if people are is really like thirsty, or especially need to see if that like a beach area, it will work out well, and especially or like in a city area also work out well. So maybe I'll do like 30 to 50 cans and sell them.
okay, that's good. But I'm giving you, and I'm making it so much easy for you. I'm just telling you. For example, the temperature tomorrow of Kuala Lumpur is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what we will do, we will increase our production of cold drinks. So here two factors are related. One is the temperature, and one is the production. So what we can say, this association, clear?
Yes, shooting. Yeah.
Everyone clear?
Not so clear, sir. Could you repeat, sir?
Okay. If the temperature of the city rises, then what will happen? The selling of the cold drinks, soft drinks, ice cream increases.
Yes.
So here, what is the relation between temperature and production? Are they associated with each other?
Production increase.
Are they associated with each other?
Yes.
So that is the association rule. Clear?
Okay, understood.
Everyone?
That means when something with when two things have like something related in common, is it?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And let's take
And
another example, most easiest example. If you do 5 hours, 2 hour gym every day, your weight will increase, sorry, decrease.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
here,
sir.
hour of gym and weight is associated with each other.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Is a correlated like where our weight is reducing because of what we are doing exercise at 5 hours a day. So that's the correlated.
Yes, my dear students. Okay now?
Clear, sir.
Okay. I am not directly explaining you the slides because slides look bigger and you might feel bored, sir. This is so bigger. This is, but just remember the example or note down the example. Okay, what I am telling you. Don't need to,
Okay, sir.
because I know you everyone. You're very much busy, so I don't give you this use theories. Okay. So they give an example to determine which entities usually go together in large databases. Example, what items in the store are commonly purchased together? Example, ground meat and hot sauce. Yes, when you buy meat, you must buy sauce. Personalized recommendation. So you can see this example that are given in the Eurox. Then what is profiling? To generalize, typical behavior of an individual group or population can be broad or narrow. Example, what is the typical mobile data usage of customer segment A? Use an anomaly detection to detect fraud or monitor computer hacking behavior. Okay, just give me an just going through an easiest example. You are the owner of an restaurant. So every day I order online food from your restaurant. So your boss gave you a task that please profile this user and find out or profile the segment of customer who are really taking the fast food, who are taking the Indian food, and who are taking Chinese food. So by profiling them, Just find out this and then send them the promotional offers. Okay, it is done by analyzing individuals customer behavior. Clear? Profiling
Understand,
clear,
sir.
Clear, sir.
everyone? So we have already covered classification, regression, then similarity matching, then clustering, association rule, and profiling. So are you these are these things a little bit difficult for you, or it is looking very much easy for you? Have you understand this all?
Doable, sir.
Easy or hard? Sir, madam?
Easy, just
I would say medium, sir.
No, it will look. Data mining is all about database and statistics, database, everything. So it's an interesting course. In your uni life, you'll find this course most interesting because after doing this job, you can do a job. You have doing this course, you can do a job of a what can I say, business analyst or data analyst. Okay, just 1 minute. Just let me drink a glass of water, then I can.
okay, sir.
Okay, now we are moving to other slide also. Now let's start. Okay, can you see my screen, everyone? Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just data and dimension reduction to extract important information from a large data set to form a smaller data set. By easier to process, get key information, improve model performance. Example to simplify consumer movie preference, every single movie to a representation of the genre preference. Okay. Let me give you an easiest example. You have a huge database. Okay. From that, in your, for example, you have a database where in a table information is stored about the customers who are seeing watch movies. From that, for do you watch Bollywood films? Anyone?
We do.
Okay, we watch. So your boss has given you the work of finding that I will not go according to genre. Who are fans of Salman Khan? Who are fans of Shah Rukh Khan? And who are fans of Amir Khan? Okay. From that, you will be given, for example, there is a table that stores the film watched by you on the last 10 years. Okay. From that, I have to bring out the users or the customers who are interested in SRK Shah Rukh Khan films, who are interested in Amir Khan films, and who are interested in Salman Khan films. Those who like Shah Rukh Khan films, their genre is romantic. Then Salman Khan is action, and Amir Khan is social. So from that we can categorize the genre. So that is specifically the data and data dimension reduction to extract important information from a larger data set to form a smaller data set. Clear now?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I'm giving you another easiest example. Suppose I'm giving a real life example. You got a job of a data analyst in a mobile company. From there, um, your your customers are buying the internet, um, regular internet from you. So what packages are buying? For example, someone is buying 30 GB with YouTube and um, Netflix. Some are buying 30 GB with YouTube and Sony. So like this, there will be the records of your customer. From there, you have to bring out the customers who buy 30 GB with YouTube. So to those customers, then you will promote the YouTube contents and the genre that they like. Clear?
Oh, okay, understood.
No, if you have any problem, you can ask me. I can give an uh, more easy example.
Still not clear, sir.
It's still not clear. Okay, just take three data. You have three film. You have three friends, A, B, and C. Suppose A like romantic film, B like action film, and C like action film. From those, you will just bring out that who likes the who likes what type of film. From that, you have to group into two groups: action film and romantic film. Now, those who like action film will categorize them in one database, and who likes romantic film will categorize them in another database. Clear?
Ah, yes, I understand.
That
Similar
means
to
we have
clustering.
to analyze the data based on the requirement, is it?
Yes, yes. There will be a huge data set. You can't work with huge data sets. Okay, for example, when I will go to Kaggle and I will show you, you can't work with thousands of data. From those big data sets, you have to bring out only the smaller data set, and from those data sets you will work. Clear?
Oh, okay, okay. From big data to convert to small data, and from there we group into them. Which one the like A or B, and like that we'll do.
Yes. Clear now?
Ah,
It's
clear, clear.
similar to clustering, is it?
Yes, yes. It's similar in data mining. At the end of the day, everything is similar, but it has different name and different algorithm are used.
Ah,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
When is your midterm exam? Dear student, when will be your midterm? Is it on the first week of September?
Sorry, sir. Repeat again.
When will be your midterm exam? It will be on the first week of September.
Actually, sir, from the cost plan, it is not updated. It's a March one, so uh,
Data mining is still showing the things of March.
yeah, it's still showing March.
Okay, I will see it because I just your URLs I have got two three different URLs I can't show it, so I will check it. Okay,
Ah,
just
okay, okay.
just give me the screenshot because I just got the system. I will
Uh-huh.
update it.
Okay, sure. No man, I'll share the file. File I'll
Okay,
get. Okay.
okay. Please share it with me. Now, causal model to determine if one entity affects the other. What caused what to happen? To determine a cause of and effect data entities, assumption have to be careful made with randomized control experiment. Confounding variables. Okay. Look, what is causal modeling? It's like association rule. Lack of the exercise leads to weight gain. What is the independent variable here? Amount of exercise and dependent variable, amount of weight deviation. Clear? What is causal modeling? Everyone clear? What is causal modeling?
Could you repeat, sir?
What is causal modeling? Clear? Basically, there will be two variables. For example, one is amount of exercise and another is weight. So amount of exercise is the independent variable and amount of weight is the dependent variable. So if you exercise more, your weight will be less. If you exercise less, your weight will be more. Clear?
Oh, understand, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you the most easiest example. Your study hours in data mining and your grade.
Yeah, I can get that. Like if you study more, and then that is an independent variable, and then the other one was a dependent variable, which is our mark. See, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Now data exploration and visualization. To understand the data, detect unusual data, determine the data cleaning and manipulation steps, discover two patterns. Okay. So what is data exploration? To understand the data. So in a database, there might be some fake data, some garbage data. Yes or not? Okay.
Yes.
Giving you the easiest example. Do you have phone? Everyone smartphone?
Yeah.
Do you have phone gallery?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Yes,
In
sir.
gallery, sometimes you have some pictures that are not required, so you delete them.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yes, that is the thing. What is the uh, data exploration? And keep
Uh,
the image that you required. Okay,
okay, okay.
understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay. So what is now data visualization? Now the thing, the data analysis you will done, you will have to show everything in a visual form. Have you seen bar diagram,
Yes,
histogram,
sir.
box plot?
Yes, sir.
So in our upcoming lectures, you will watch those with orange and rapid manner. You will see it. Already, I have already updated the 12 weeks contents of your this course, so we will go through it. But data visualization, just remember one thing: you have to show the result that you have find till now with this algorithm. You have to show it in a visualized form. Clear, everyone? Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So up to slide 13. Do you have any question? Is it easy or hard? Up to slide 13.
Can, sir.
Okay. Now is the most interesting thing: supervised and unsupervised data mining. Okay. So I will not go through the fast. I will not show you going to the slide. I'm just discussing with you easily. So what do you mean by supervised and unsupervised? Say anyone.
Supervise is when we give the training data and we give the outcome as well. But unsupervised is more like independent. We give data, but we don't give the outcome.
Okay. Let see an example. Easiest example because it's the most easiest example. I am taking your class. I am teaching you data mining. Okay. In the exam, you will get the questions from this and you will answer. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
I am the
Clear.
supervisor and I am supervising you for learning this. Yes or not?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
So here, similarly, in data mining, the algorithms are trained. So they are called supervised data mining algorithm. And now giving you an example of unsupervised learning. My 3 years old niece, she's already 3 years. So when she goes to school, she learns what the thing around she sees around her here and there. From those things she learned. But we are not supervising her that learn this, learn that. So what is that? That is the unsupervised learning. What you learn from your environment. Clear?
Understand. So from my
And
environment, she observe lot.
yes, what you observe from the environment, learn and you prepare you accordingly. Now, if you tell her go in front of the car in the road, will she go? No, because
No.
she. I didn't tell her that you don't go there, but she knows that if she goes there, then there will be a problem. Okay, so that is how she known by herself and taking that actions. Clear?
Clear,
In,
sir.
in case of
Yes.
data mining algorithms, you will find that, for example, you are doing the survey over 2,000 customers that who are interested in the product or not. Just based on their behavior and purchase behavior, you can categorize them. So that is the thing. In our upcoming slide, we are looking this. So what they have written: assume you have a telco company and want to solve customer churning problem. We would like to find segments of customers who are more likely to leave so that we can offer them deals to keep their contract. Is this a supervised or unsupervised data mining problem? So the question is, do our customer in natural fall into different groups? If we don't have target group information about this customer and just group them naturally, then it is unsupervised problem. So without taking any information just based on their behavior, if we group them, then that is unsupervised problem. Clear?
Clear, sir.
And again, question 2, can we determine which group of customers who are highly likely to cancel their service after contract start? If we have information about customer segments, and it is useful to be utilized for classification, that is supervised learning. For example, here the example they are giving, they're telling that you have a customer information of your user, of that data usage you are going to likely to contact. So you have the information, you can segmented them. So that is the supervised learning. Clear? Supervised versus unsupervised data mining, everyone? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So let's move forward. Then let us see an example, difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning, like a teacher supervises the learners with correct answers. And unsupervised learning, like an unmonitored nature habitation, same attracts same. So similar things are grouped by themselves. Then needs target information, level data, supervised. In case of unsupervised, no target information is required. Then so for supervised, results are more useful because there is a specific purpose. For unsupervised learning, there is no guarantee that the result will be useful for a purpose. Supervised learning, more expensive and unavailable. Less expensive and more available. Task classification, regression, causal modeling. Task clustering, co-occurrence, grouping, and profiling. So, have you understand the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? In this slide number 16, do you have any question? Please look into it again, and if you have any question, you can ask. Any question? Anybody?
No, sir.
So shall I? Okay. Then the classification. Difference between classification and regression has categorical targets. We have seen it. Which service package S1, S2, S3 will a customer likely to purchase if incentive I target S1, S2 to predict yes, no, yes. I have given you the example already. And regression has numerical values. I have told you about temperature, flat price, how much will a customer use the service, target any numerical value as the usage amount, and to predict a value, more required in the business application. So regression is more required in the business application because if you work in a real estate company, if you work in a hotel, you must need this. Clear? Everyone clear? Sir, madam, everyone clear?
Sir. Clear, sir.
In your assignments are very much easy. I will give you the drive link you have to upload there. I will show you how you will upload those. But in the midterm exam, you will have the algorithms you have to answer. So the case study will be given. From the case study, you have to find it which algorithm you will use and why you use that and why other you haven't used the other's algorithm. So you have to answer like that. So you must be alert to about the things before reading the scenario. You have to understand the topics very finely. Okay.
So basically, you will give a case study and we answer based on our understanding.
Yes.
Uh,
Your role will be as a business analyst. You have to find out which one will be the best algorithm and what is the best process you need to follow for reaching your goal.
okay.
Clear?
Clear. Where's the? I mean, what topic will cover for midterm, sir?
Up to my target is up to data mining algorithm. Data mining algorithm you will cover.
Which is chapter 4, lah, if I'm not mistaken.
Chapter 4, chapter 5. You can on Eurex I have constructed it. I have you can see on your modules part. I think it is chapter 6.
Chapter 6. So from chapter 1 to chapter 6.
Yes, but in your final exam, I will give you live projects. From that, I will try to grade you, because in final exam you will given a set of data sets. You will come Everyone will come with a, I think you have 40 students, so you will create 8 groups. Each group will come with a project. You have to, I will give you a problem, you have to solve it, then based on it we'll go for the final evaluation. Okay.
It means this one, that one is for group assignment. Was that?
Yes, it is on the final you will get a group project.
Group
Project.
project. Okay.
Yes. It will, I will bought it from the industry and I will hand over on it to you.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So you
But
will, yes.
if can we let us provide the latest cost plan, because the old one we also can use it
Yes,
for.
the course plan has been changed already last maybe last Wednesday. No, last Monday I have submitted it, the course plan that we are following. I will give you.
Okay.
After I will give you after this class. Okay,
Okay. All right.
clear? Okay. Now let's see a scenario of supervised versus unsupervised data mining. Supervised and unsupervised learning can be used one after another. Example, loan application. Unsupervised learning to separate loan applications into several list level of groups. Supervised algorithm to predict the loan default of each group. Okay, it's an interesting scenario. For example, uh, am I audible? Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, please respond. Also, I don't understand. Okay, for example, you are working as a bank manager. Your boss has given you the work of categorize the loan application into several risk level groups. So you don't have data on it, but you have the uh, for 20,000 ringgit or 20, what will be the risk factor for 10,000 ringgit. You will find those and you will cluster them into different groups. And again, when you are using supervised learning, for example, I am a guy who take loan from, for example, Maybank, CIMB Bank, but I didn't return the loan. So you can analyze my data from there, and you can decide will you give me loan or not. That is supervised learning. Clear?
Could you repeat, sir?
Okay. Just forget everything. Okay, someone has a question. Okay, your assignment submission will be on for week 1 to week 3 within 15 of this month. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, just a minute. So we have doing this thing. Now let's Uncle is in the meeting. Yes. So this is here you will see that an example of watch out for human error in the target information of supervised learning. Okay. Washington Post Magazine 2014, the strange press definitely recommend was making into its way into English by autocorrection. Okay. Here is an example of a supervised learning regarding the training of an English training of a machine, so of an algorithm. So it's given error. So it was a past history. We don't need it. Just it's an example of supervised learning human error. Okay. So till now, up to slide 18, do you have any question on any topics?
So just now the one you were explaining example, right? Can you explain again, but in a different example?
Okay, I'm telling. Okay, let's see. You have develop a machine like you have to develop a software like Grammarly. Okay. So here the machine you have trained for checking the English spelling is wrong. Okay. So
Okay.
what will happen? It will, when the user will give the correct spelling, it will suggest wrong spelling. So it is an example of human error in supervised learning, yes or not?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Have you seen the movie Robot? Robot? Anyone?
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Rajnikant? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's give you an example. In the robot film, when Chiddi was under Dr. Vasikaran, he was a very good robot.
Yes. He was a good robot.
He was a very good robot. Then when he came under another doctor, I just forget Danny's full name in that movie. The villain who trained him, he just he just teach him how to destroy things.
Yes.
So what happened in the second part of the movie? He killed lot of human beings.
Yes.
So if you train a robot works by using algorithm. Do you know it?
Oh, I don't know about that.
So if there is any human error in supervised learning, can you imagine the loss? If in case of
Yeah,
robot,
it's
in
a
case
big
of
one.
machine. So now have you understand?
So basically, who is supervising that thing, then it will turn out based on what's the outcome will be. It will be either in a good form or the bad form.
Yes. Clear?
Okay.
Everyone? Clear everyone?
Until
Okay. So we will start data mining process now. Data understanding, data preparation, and so on. We'll look to anything. So if you want to take a 3 to 5 minutes, 5 minute break, you can take it because our next part of the lecture will be a little bit long. Okay. So you can take a 5 minutes break. After at 1:57, we are going to start because it will be a long process. Any problem?
sure.
Because after that we don't have any. We'll not go through any break. Okay. Until slide number 40. So you have to be. Everyone have to be very much concentrating on the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can take a 5 minute break. Okay, let's start. Everyone, ready?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This will be a little bit long session, so we will go through the data mining process. Look, can you see the image?
Yes, sir.
First, there is mining the data and using the data mining outcome, two different processes. Look, here are some historical data. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
Now data mining is done, and then the model is deployed. Okay, and from the model, they are finding the values and the data that basically they require. So you don't need to see this image. We will when we will go through the algorithm. I will give you node. I will give you everything. So don't worry. Just look at the picture.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because after next class, it will become very much easy for you to do anything with data. Because next class I will teach you MySQL. There you will deal with huge amount of data. Then data mining process. The data mining is a craft. There is a well understood process that places a structure on the problem, allowing reasonable consistency, repeatability, and objective. So basically, data mining is a craft. It's a process. So they are showing that these diagrams showing the data mining process, business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. See, first was the business understanding. As I have given you the example, I have told you that your boss will come and told you to find out that what are the amount of sale you will have in the next 10 days or 20 days. So this is the business understanding. Okay. Then your as a this this is basically in this phase you will get the order from your upper boss or upper management. Your work begins from this phase, data understanding. You can look arrow in the other side. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Because if you have any question or any problem regarding it, you can talk to your upper boss and can make it easy. Okay. Then the phase is data preparation. Then what you will done, you will get the data from the databases, from the previous history or everything. You will get the data. That is the data preparation. Clear? Business
Okay.
understanding, with data preparation. Done.
Mhm.
In the modeling phase, now you will implement the algorithm. Which algorithm you will implement, we learn on the later part of this of this course. Which model you have to implement and what are the outcomes of that model. But after implementing data mining algorithm on the data set, you will go for the evaluation. So can you understand the modeling phase, everyone? Any question?
Uh, the modeling, can you explain a little bit, sir, about that?
Suppose you have 50,000 customer data. Okay. In the data preparation phase, you have 50,000 customer data. From that data, you require only 20,000. You get those data. Understand till now what I am telling? From 50,000 data, you will bring 20,000 data that is required for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After that, with this 20,000 data, you will implement the data mining algorithm. Which data mining algorithm you will implement? Will you go for clustering? You will go for classification? You will go for regression? It is based on your requirements of the business understanding. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
So you will implement the algorithm on those data sets, and that is the modeling phase. And after that modeling phase, you go for the evaluation. What is the outcome of the result? And you will basically to the non-technical clients or your boss, you can't just give them the output. You have to show them the results in form of bar diagram, chart diagram, histogram. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Then you will deploy it. Okay. In the deployment is the final result and the final outcome. Now, okay with it? From the model, okay. In business understanding, you will get the requirement from your boss. In data understanding, you will understand the data and what you will do with the data, what data you are required. In the data preparation, you will extract your data, and in the modeling phase, you will implement the algorithm. In the evaluation phase, the algorithm will find out the accuracy, precision, recall, and everything of the data set, or the chosen data you have. And in the deployment phase, you can see it in the forms of histogram, bar diagram, and chart diagram. Clear?
Please.
Okay. Just making it easy for you. First one is business understanding. Okay. Step 1, understanding the requirement from step 2. Step 2 data understanding. Expect the based on various parameters of precision recall. We will learn it in the next part of our this course. And step 6 is the see. Clear now, everyone? See, you don't need to remember big things. Is it clear now? 6 steps.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is business understanding, data understanding? Oh, my camera is off. Sorry. Data understanding, business understanding. Sorry, business understanding, data understanding. Then you have to go for the step 3. You require data. Then fourth, you have to go for the modeling and implement the algorithm. Fifth, you have to evaluate, and sixth, you have to show it or deploy it to various diagrams. Clear? Everyone clear? Okay, I'm moving forward. Look, they have shown it in the steps we have go through already. So what is business understanding? What they are trying to understand, how can the problem be solved using data mining? Okay, it is usually interactive process until an acceptable solution formation is concluded. What exactly to do? We have already discussed with the example. So data understanding also we have go through the example. So we don't. I have told you. Will I have to read the slides, or you have understand, dear students? Please, will I go through the slides, or the example I have told you have understand? Everyone, will I go through the slides, or you have understand everything? Okay. Okay, I'm just showing you the slides at a glance, but don't take it make it so much difficult. The way I have described you, just and draw the diagram appropriately. So it's business understanding, data and data understanding to understand the strength and limitation of data in solving the problem. Data can be both internal customer transaction, external credit rating. So that is the understanding of the data, basically what data you are going to use and what you are not going to use. Then data preparation. Then by analyzing the data, you will decide how you prepare the data and what algorithm you will implement. So then they have already 4 slides on it. And modeling, what algorithm you will implement on those data and what you will use. That is the modeling phase. We have already discussed. They have discussed with a lot of slides. Then to assess the data mining result, test data to gain confidence, to make sure that we have discussed with the steps, that what are the steps you will follow and what are the evaluation metrics and by what you will get it, and also the evaluation. So till now, and deployment, what we have told in deploying in various diagram and also in so the relatable things, that is. So you have any question from this, the data mining process, dear student, or the example I have given that was enough? Please, can you just respond? I cannot understand. Everyone?
It will take a little bit time, sir, to understand this. So we'll go through and look on that.
Yes, I am. I have the steps that I have shared with you. You just go through these steps because you don't. If you read slide, it will give you a lot of study and lot of. Just the steps I have told. Just follow this. That is enough for you. Clear?
We'll follow these steps, understand that based on these steps,
Yes.
and I
Just
believe
remember these 6 steps. You are okay. But you can read the slide. I won't tell you that you can read. But slides are little bit long. I won't make this thing so much broad and long for you because you have other courses too. I don't like to make this course very much difficult for you. But till now, what we have discussed, have you understood?
by
Just
far,
tell me
yeah,
this, please.
by far can.
Yes? Okay. Now, what is SEMA? Do you know what is SEMA?
No idea, sir.
We have seen the Chris DIM. We have
Sorry.
discussed it also. Now we are going to know SEMA.
Hmm.
SEMA is another data mining methodology. Chris DIM, SEMA, there will be a basically, I won't give the difference because you don't need it, but um, you in the interviews you may ask this question, people may ask you in this question. Okay, what is sample? Take a sample from the data set, partition into training, validation, and test data sets. Okay, so what you will do, you will take a sample from your data set, for example a column and row, and you will you will train that and validate and test that data set, then explore, examine the data set statistically and graphically. So the data set you got, you will examine those data set graphically and statistically, then modify, transform the variable and immute missing values. So you will delete the you will take the values that have already the complete values, then you will delete the missing values. Then predictive fit predictive models. There is regression. There is though neural network and tree is not now here, but you will see there is regression classification which model is required for you. And then assess compares the model using a validation data set. Same main step as CRISP. As the previous we have seen CRISP, the steps that I have discussed with you here. This is SEMA is also similar to this. So you may have a difference between these two in the exam, but it will be based on the case study also. So have you understood the SEMA, everyone, or will I make it understand with an example
Yeah,
like the previous
give
one?
an example. Yeah.
Okay. Suppose you are you got a job as a data analyst of an e-commerce site. Okay, your boss has came to you and tell that you have to show that what is going to be his sales report and what is going to be his predicted 1 year after 1 year sale. So what you will take from there, you will take some sample of 20 to 30 rows and columns for the test. Then you implement there the algorithm. If it is okay or not, you will test it. You will then after testing, if your sample is works okay, then you will go forward. If not, then you will search for more data and which data is relevant to you. You will find this. Then explore. Have you understand the sample format, everyone? Dear student, have you understand the sample format? Will I give another easy example?
Yeah, maybe give another simple example.
Okay. While cooking, sometimes you taste the food with spoon when you are cooking. Yes or not?
Yes.
So that is sampling. This from a huge data set, you will bring up to 20 to 30 data and you will test them. You will check the sample. Clear?
Oh, just check, it's like a checking sample only, lah.
Yes, yes. If they are relevant to your field of work or not.
Ah,
E-
okay. Understand.
Example, your boss has given you to predicted the sale of uh, what can I say, jelly, jam, and bread after 1 year, and taking that you are taking data from cold drinks, how much cold drinks is sold. Is it will this sample work for this?
No, 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 it won't work.
So that sampling. Clear?
Understand, understand.
Okay. Then data visualization and cluster association. Then what in explore phase, what you will do, you will visualize the data and you will, for example, those who are buying jam, they must buy jelly, they must buy bread. So this in this phase, you will visualize the data and cluster it. Then modify variable selection case and data transformation. So in the third phase, have you understand the explore phase? Everyone, have you understand the explore phase? Everyone, have you understand the explore phase? Dear student, everyone? Okay, then I'm going forward. Then modify variable selection creation. So from the um, data set, you have to find what are my independent variable and what are my independent variable. For example, those who buy jam, they must buy jelly, they must buy bread. So here, jam is the independent variable and bread is the dependent variable. Then you will transform the data. Then which model you will go for? There are neural network, tree-based model, logistic models, and other. You will choose your model. Then you will implement that in this phase and go for the final assessment. So clear, Sima? Sir, is it clear? Everyone? Everyone clear? Okay. Now, implications for managing the data science team. Basically, this thing won't come in exam. Okay, we have already learned the crisp cycle and the uh, Sigma. So we are enough. What we need to learn from this slide and what are the things we need to know. We have already know this. So these are not important things. Just going through it. Should a data mining project be managed on the same way as a software development team? This process might look similar, but data mining is closer to research than software engineering. Suppose you have a data mining team of your office. Now you are just managing it like a software team, software development team. It will not work. Then the creep cycle iterates on approaches and strategy exploration rather than software design. So the creep cycle we have seen is the steps we have discussed. Then the data mining outcomes are less certain. Software, there is no, you know that you will get the product, but in data mining sometimes you will not sure about the outcome. Result of certain steps may change the fundamentals problem understanding. For example, you have a huge data set, and from this data set you are predicting that the temperature or the sales will go up, bar will go up, but sometimes you see that it has a sudden drop. It is more about reducing uncertainty about a problem than delivering the project after distance. So what is this? It is reducing uncertainty. Okay, software project is about deployment, but it is data mining is reducing the uncertainty. And software skill versus analytical skills, programming expertise, ability, formulate questions. So these are the things. Basically, these things are not that much required. So till slide number 39, do you have any question? Do you have any question? Dear students, do you have any question?
Okay, sir.
Crisp and Simma. These are the two important things from this slide. Remember it, okay? These are the two important things. Maybe you will give a case study and from there we have to go through any one of the process, okay?
Sorry, sir. The SEMA and what was it? The another two?
Crisp. The first
Peers.
one,
Ah,
PRSP, that we have seen. This one. Okay.
oh, okay.
A case study will be given. From the case study, you have to find you will go through which data mining process and which algorithm you will implement. Maybe it may contain something around your 30 to 40% mark that question. Okay, can you answer it,
Okay, okay.
or will I have to give you any practice exercise?
We'll require a practice exercise
Okay,
before
I will
we
give
do.
it. Okay, before the meet, I will give you a practice exercise on it.
Okay, sir.
Then ethical practice in data mining. Uh, Basically, these are not required because new rules and laws are emerging, and the attention of ethical issues in data mining and data science is increasing. Okay, you are working as a data data analyst of a company, and you sell the data to another company. Is it ethical? Will you do that?
No, sir.
Okay. Then there are some laws and rules regulations. This is not important for you. Okay. Then here is the references. But I am please everyone note down slide number 21. Note down slide number 21. I am making it easier for you. Okay.
This cross-industry standard process for data mining and the SEMA. That one
Yes.
will come out in midterm lah.
Yes. These two
Ah,
go through these go through these two because let me open the Europe. I will upload some video also today. Already pre-recorded overview videos are uploaded. Okay, I'm going to computer network. You're not computer network, you're data mining. Data mining. This one. Can you see my screen, everyone?
yes.
Okay. From slide 1 and 2, on the last recorded on our last class, we have covered these two topics. Okay. So from those topics, you will have, I think, I'll give you from topics 1. There is no there is everything, but there are things that was not more important. But from your main study, start from here, the data mining process. Then you will have the introduction to MySQL. This by relating these two process and MySQL, you are going to get a question. Okay. Then data and methods in data mining, and up to data mining algorithm. You will in the midterm I will bring it to week 6 and it to week 7. Up to midterm you will go till data mining algorithm. So the question you will have in the midterm will be related to those chapter, and today I have given you one important thing, and the next class I will give you another 2 3 things. And everyone in the next class, please download the XAMPP. I will giving you the download link from here, because in our next class we are going to see the MySQL. But in your final, I will try to take no exam. I will just take you a final project. That is all, because if you want to become a data engineer, you must have to hands-on experience.
So means we won't have an exam or we will. How is it, sir?
In final, I will talk to the module leader, course leader,
Okay.
sir, that
Okay.
I don't want to take your exam on final, because I will give you a project, real life project, and you have to solve that problem.
So basically, we will do it individually or we'll do in
Group,
a
group,
in group
in
group.
groups,
Huh?
group.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
because
uh,
individually a little bit load on you.
okay, I understand. So when's the project we required to submit?
In the final exam week,
Okay. So we can start ready lah.
yes,
Do it.
I will after completing the data mining algorithm, I will give you the project.
Okay, sir. So for the midterm right now, it coming out from the data mining process until
Data
the
mining process, introduction to MySQL, data and methods in data mining, and data mining algorithm. Okay,
means that week. It means that week 3, week 4, week 5, and week 6,
7. Yes.
and week
Week,
7. Week 7.
yes.
My one
Week
is
7 will
partial.
be week 7 will be week 6, and you will get it. Clear, everyone?
Oh, okay.
So I am just telling you, don't worry about the grade, don't worry about anything, just learn the things. If you learn the
Uh,
things well, you can get a good job after doing this course. My achievement is you get a good job, I'll be happy with that.
because I was seeing the previous course, I mean the course plan, right?
Yes.
There was mentioned there's an exam. That's why I was wondering.
No, I won't go for the exam. Dear students, remember one thing. The things you will learn while doing a project, you can learn it by giving exams. Do you know
Yeah,
that?
I understand.
Because if I
Because
bring a
this is
real
the
life,
data mining, right?
yes, you have to know how you will mine data, how you will bring about the things, what are the things you will, when you will visualize it yourself. Because look at the course module, you will learn introduction to Orange and introduction to Rapid Miner. Okay, so after
Mhm.
learning these two tools, you can easily work as a data analyst anywhere in the world. Already you know Crisp and Sigma. Okay, so you have already know what are the things you will get in the interview. Okay, let's show you another thing. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Someone, please, can you tell me the course code?
This one is wait a minute now. Data mining 95. I mean, sorry, it's not
RBN,
95.
RBN.
Uh,
Can
cost
you tell me?
RBN 3213.
3213 RBN.
Yeah,
Okay.
So RBAN, sir.
RBN.
RBAN.
Sorry, RBN.
Okay. Look, dear students, here you will create. Everyone will create a. Let's give you the access. Share. So uh, in this link in the drive, you everyone will create a folder on your ID, and inside that folder, you will you will create subfolder assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, and assignment 4, and you can submit there. Okay. Till midterm, you have the timeline. No, so don't worry. Do it slowly. Just enjoy the
Okay.
course. Okay. Don't take too much pressure.
Okay, so basically we submit all our assignments inside this drive.
Yes, inside this drive,
Okay.
when will be necessary, I will tell it to submit it on the Europe, but you submit it till now because if you I can see the what you are doing or what you are doing not. Okay.
Okay. So now we got to do until we the assignment three lah. Assignment one, assignment two, assignment three.
Yes.
Until
Yes.
the data mining. Okay.
Yes.
Understand?
Okay. Now I'm calling the attendance. Everyone is there. Ready? Please. I am calling the attendance after the class. Everyone, please be careful. Okay.
Okay, sure.
No, you are 9-5. Why? Ajuri binti Mahmoud Rozni. Ajuri, yes or no?
Yes.
Are you in the
Yes.
Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Ajman? Ajman?
Hi, sir.
Alnur?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Nibras? Nibras, are you?
Sir,
Okay.
this is Azman.
Okay. Melina, are you?
Yes, sir.
Bharati? Bharati?
Sir, this is Azman.
Okay. I have given Ajman one.
Okay.
Sudarshan? Thinakaran, are you there? Dharma? Dharma Surya Kumar? Dharma, are you in the class? Why so many students? Then Divya Kantan. Fakrul,
Yes, sir.
Gajendaran, Javi,
Yes, sir.
Gilbert,
Yes, sir.
Ikmal, Jasmine, Jasmine,
Here.
Jastrina, Jeffrey,
Yes, sir.
Zuma, Zuma, Kachant Kumar,
Yes, sir.
then Christian, Shalini, Christian Shalini, Lau Chaili,
Yes, sir.
Roger Priya, Michel, Michel, Pais,
Yes, sir.
Fuad,
Yes, sir.
Adam,
Yes, sir.
Alif, Ridwan,
Hello, sir.
sir, who?
Sir, I'm Logapriya here, sir. Sorry, sir. Just now line so slow.
Okay, Ridwan.
Logapriya here, sir.
Mohammed Ridwan, Hillman,
Yes, sir.
Rashida, Noor,
Yes, sir.
Noor Afifa,
Me, sir.
Noora Mera, Noora Maira, Noora Mira, Noora Firi, Nurshak, Nurshakin, Nurshikin, Nuradila, Nazira, Nuradila, Nurul,
Yes, sir.
Orsita Mancia,
I'm here, sir.
Kaniwala,
Yes, sir. I'm here.
P,
Yes, sir.
Puja,
Yes, sir.
Privina, Puteri,
Yes, sir.
Shalini,
Yes, sir.
Shiti,
Yes, sir. Present.
Shiti Nur, Shiti Nur, Sumati,
Yes, sir.
Surya, Suryabalan,
Yes, sir.
Tanushini,
Yes, sir.
Tarshini,
Yes, sir.
Tivneshwari,
Yes, sir.
So Muhammad Rizwan here, Muhammad Rizwan.
Sir,
yes,
my name is Divya Malar Ramalingam. I present here. Number
yes,
54.
number 54. No, still I haven't gone to 54. I am in 53. Tivneshwari,
Muhammad Rizwan.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Rizwan, what is your number? Rizwan, what is your number? Rizwan bin Ahmed.
Correct,
Rizwan,
correct, correct. Muhammad Rizwan Ahmad.
yes. Trishan Raj, Krishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir, Devnashari is here.
Dinesh. Okay, done. So this is your attendance for this class. Clear, everyone? Does anyone left? Please let me know.
Understand, sir. So, sir, is it the attendance supposed to take weekly?
Yes, yes.
For the last week we don't have any class, right? So how does it take we'll take attendance? Was
Based on
taken
the
by
assignment. Based on your submitted
based on
assignment.
us.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes. Done? Any question? Any more question?
Sir, what about the first class that we are missing because it doesn't appear in the UROX?
Don't worry, because I have given in the announcement section. But if it don't appear, I will see the issue. Just remind me before the mid. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Look, you don't have to be tensed or any types of worry in this course. Yes, submit. You have to submit the way I have shown. You have to create a folder in the Google Drive. Then you have to, yes. No, please say.
Yeah, the link that you shared just now, not the Google Drive, the earlier one, that's the apps for XAMPP, right? That is a 3 versions on each window, regardless window or ISO. So which version that we have to download?
Okay, I am showing. Module. Look, assignment 1. Have you seen it?
I see your face.
Okay, not the screen.
No.
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay.
Did you pin the? Try to unpin.
Okay, I'm giving it in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry.
Okay, can, because there's 3 version. Don't know. I have to download the 3
Yes,
version.
assignment 1, assignment 2, and assignment 3. Okay, you have these 3 questions. Download this and in the folder, what you will done. For example, I am a student, so my ID is, suppose my ID is something like this, 2174. Okay, I will create a folder like this, and inside the folder, I will create a new folder that is assignment 1. So I will upload my assignment 1 here. Clear?
Understand, sir.
Again for assignment 2, I will create a folder. I will then upload my assignment 2 there. So at the end of the course, what will happen to you? When you will go for any interview or any data mining exam, you will going to see these things. You will going to have a note on this. You will mark this all, and you will study and you can attend the Viva easily. Clear? And also it will be beneficial for me. I can evaluate easily. If required, then I will upload it on the Eurox. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, everyone. Any type of confusion?